Welcome to the Marsala in the city of Chatsworth. Right behind me, we have a beautiful new construction home. Justin, give us some details of this home.
Before we talk details, man, let's just take a look. This is nice. This is gonna be modern up here. This is gonna be luxury. This is gonna be something new that we completely have never seen before. So we're out here in Chatsworth, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3,500 square feet on this home, starting in the high 1 millions, about 1.8 right now, and kind of up from there. But beautiful homes. I love the modern look. Let's go check these out.
Let's go, man.
So we actually are up here in the luxury gated community called Horizons up here in Deerlake Ranch. So this is not gonna be, you know, anybody can have access coming in. This is gated community only for residents.
Walk in and look at that. We got 2 Justin-sized doors here that I really, really like. Again, I always like to
I'm gonna ignore that
doors.
one. But when you walk in, you got a beautiful little atrium, like courtyard view. You could put up some really nice plants. This could be really nice.
Yeah. And then look, you walk in, guys, mama, I made it home. We got another one. And this is it right here. You walk in, you got the high ceiling. They're gonna walk in there and be like, my goodness, this Jeff owned this home? What does he do? Does he sell drugs? No, he's just really successful.
So coming right in, we've got a little office, study. This is a great spot. I like that it's kind of disconnected away from like the main living area. So you can still be quiet over here.
Yeah, I wonder, they're gonna need something here to get the Wi-Fi over here because the house is so dang big.
Yeah, so this is nice. And then you got a little powder room for guests just right as they come in. But again, I love this courtyard and these double doors that open up. Like, I don't know if they got a bunch of bird poop there. But I would honestly just leave this open during the day. Just have some nice airflow come in. And if you got plants, little water feature, like.
I know they made this look really nice. How much do you think that is right there? Jeff, what do you think?
10 grand, 20 grand?
Maybe like 30.
I don't know.
30, right?
Yeah.
40.
This is a nice little spot.
Stonework.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really nice
so
though.
Possibilities are endless. Let's go on to the main living area.
Yeah, I feel like most people would have that like as a dog area.
Yeah.
I think like kind of still connected to the house.
This is perfect, I think, when your family's just hanging out. Kids are over there doing homework, mom's cooking lunch, cooking dinner, maybe hanging out watching the game. Like this is a place where the family would just be hanging out. This is cool.
And they got good music right now.
Oh my gosh. I actually really like the finishes. They have the tiles going all the way up to the ceiling. Just kind of shows you some of the little things they can do. Again, we're gonna have, these are gonna be KitchenAid appliances, and then we do have the KitchenAid sink as well. So it just shows you another level of some really high-end appliances in this home.
KitchenAid fridge.
KitchenAid fridge, I'm sorry guys. And then also the KitchenAid dishwasher. So KitchenAid all the way around. We're gonna get you taken care of.
Farm style sink in there.
This is one of the longest islands I think we've actually seen.
Yeah.
This is really big. You could definitely fit more than 4 bar stools here.
Yeah, it's huge, man. And then we got the little breakfast nook.
I actually like this a lot.
The breakfast nook is nice. There's nothing little about it though.
No, this is like an 8-foot table.
You can have all the senoras right here talking.
Yeah, I could totally imagine kids like just, you know, eating their breakfast here. It's called the breakfast nook. Just, you know, you're living over here making them cereal, they're just chaos in the morning, backpacks on the island, husband is watching the news. Like this is just where life happens.
I love the excitement that you have. I was thinking more like the housewives of Chatsworth are gonna be in here. They're gonna be having some tea, sitting here having a good time.
You bring your girls over?
Yeah, the girls are gonna come over and then they're gonna walk around in the gated community and they're gonna get their steps in.
Okay.
And they're gonna be walking.
They're gonna go on their hot girl walk.
Yeah, they're gonna go on the hot girl walk for the hot girl Senora Summer. All right, let's go check out the back.
Let's do it. Again, we don't have double doors here, but you could get rid of this and just make a big slider. Of course you can do that on your own after escrow. I like this sunken seating area.
Yeah, I wonder how much dirt they had to take out of this, but again, it's not gonna come like this, guys. It's just gonna give you an idea of what you can do back here. I like what they did. It's a little loud for me.
Really loud.
Some push-ups. Yeah, it's sturdy. It's gonna win. And then we got the view that we'll show you from the balcony area a little bit better.
But look, even if this was a pool, this is a really big pool.
Yeah.
And you still got a good amount of space here. You got the covered patio there. So like, The backyards are not, you know, you're not buying a half-acre lot, but they're still really good size out here.
We're looking like 25 feet, right? 30 feet maybe?
It's probably like 30 feet.
Yeah.
You can have some people out here, have the family over, people up on the balcony hanging out. Oh yeah, parties here would be awesome. We do have some rooms or some spots over here. So this is gonna be a bedroom right here on the first level, and it's gonna have its own restroom. So this is gonna be really good for like guests, you know, just one of your kids if you got a big family. But it's its own kind of little separate space where it's got everything. What do we got back there, Robert?
There's just a bunch of closet space right here. There's one here, there's one there, and then we got access to the garage here. Another one here. Oh, so this is huge.
So this is your walk-in pantry. So they're like, oh my gosh, that big house and no walk-in pantry. Yes, we do got our walk-in pantry. Jeff, show them what's up in there. And then like, yeah, Robert said a bunch of closets, garage. So imagine you come in from garage grocery shopping, you drop your little groceries off in the walk-in pantry, you can set things. This is perfect coffee area. Perfect coffee bar right there.
I love me some coffee, you know that.
And then it connects back into
Let's get lit.
To the kitchen.
All right, come on.
Now, just like we saw in the last home, I like the lofts here are like tucked away and they're like their own room. Usually the loft is just open and it's just like a corner, but I like you could put some double doors in here and you could turn this into like its own space.
Yeah, this could be somebody's room.
Yeah, be an office if you don't like the downstairs office, like this can be whatever.
Wait, Jeff, turn it around real quick. Show them what that looks like. Look at those windows up there.
So we're gonna have laundry room right next to the master and then walking into the primary.
Wow. I like this primary a little bit more than the big boy that we have here, the Rome.
Yeah, this is nice. Again, guys, we got windows on either side of the bed, always gonna let in a ton of natural light, and then we've got these big windows right here. So even without these lights on, there would still be a ton of light in this room. Then we've got a little like living room retreat area right here. You can put a Peloton here if you wanted to. You can leave it exactly how it is. I really like this space. I know Jeff's cousin or friend had another room, another name for this space, which we're not gonna talk about. Robert, what do we got outside?
So we have this cool little patio area. It's not super big, but you're able to come out and see the amazing views. You get an idea of what the other houses look like. We're gonna give you a full drone shot of what the community looks like, where it's at. We might even pass by the gate, which is gonna be super cool. And then we're walking, and then we're walking. Man, these houses are so big, man. I'm getting my steps in today.
So, primary suite. This is truly a suite. So, double vanities right here. I actually really like this this tile work all the way up. We've got our walk-in shower that is like a 17-person shower probably. This is crazy. You got your seat right there, built-in seat, freestanding tub, which I really like as well. Again, windows, lets a ton of light in. I actually really like the windows up there too.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Got your water closet.
Wait.
What? Oh,
is the tub Rob approved though?
This is like 2 Robs approved.
Let's not do that. It's not that type of tub, man. Come on, show them the walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet. Walk-in closet. You know, closets, let me tell you about closets in luxury homes like this. They're gonna come basic. Closet, you upgrade. You get your bunch of drawers, your shelves with the LEDs around, your just touchless things, you just touch it and the drawer comes open. You get your watch collection, winder. You deck your closet out, man. You ain't gonna leave your closet basic. So that's just a little thing about closets. But I actually really like what they've done to this one so far. Robert, what do we got that way, man?
So we got one of the main restrooms right here. So this is gonna be the shared one. You can check it out, give them a shot of that. And then we have a bedroom here with the semi-walk-in closet.
Oh my gosh, that's really big. This is a good sized bedroom, people.
And then we have this space right here. This is probably gonna be for your favorite kid because it has its own restroom. I guess for me, it would probably be Jedediah as of right now. Maybe, soon to be Jeremiah though.
So in this house, we've got 2 actual suites apart from the primary bedroom. So we've got this suite right here,
downstairs.
We've got the suite downstairs, and then we've got this other one basically that has a restroom here. So 4 to 5 bedrooms, you know, gonna be 4.5 restrooms. So really good sized home here at 3,500 square feet.
All right, guys, so this is gonna be the Marsala beautiful home.
Beautiful home. Yep.
Beautiful. I think my favorite part of this home is gonna be like the master retreat,
Yeah.
how long it is and how it is like you don't need that much space in here. We've seen those masters that are huge, and I like the segments that they have here.
The other thing I really like about it is it's like the whole back of the house.
Yeah.
And so you don't have a bedroom right next door on the other side. You don't have a bedroom next door on the other side here. So you do get a little privacy. That I actually really like about it. And then, of course, you got all these really nice views out in the valley. So, guys, we're here in Chatsworth checking out these homes. This is starting at about 1.8 up to about $2 million range. Robert, if they want to check these out, man, if they got a home to sell or they want to, Robert, tell me the plan to get me in this home.
I got you guys. If you guys are looking to get into this home, do not come without us. We want to be here to represent you and walk you through that new build process. Super easy to do. Reach out to us. There's going to be links below where you can click it, book a 15-minute call. We're going to have numbers. If you're an email person, you can send me an email. We'll have an email down there. Or you can check us out at New Builds For You or Cedeño Realty Team on Instagram, and we'll be able to help you. You can reach out directly there. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with somebody. So you know somebody that wants to buy in this area, and we want to be the team to help them. This is what we do. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you on the next one. SoCal Cedeño out.